My question is, we know that the word prophet is not the name of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So is it obligatory to send the salutation when we hear the word, hear or say the word prophet, or is it sinful if we do not do it? Jazakallah.
Who does it refer to?
The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
So even if you hear a pronoun, if you hear people say, and when he entered Medina after migrating from Mecca, you say Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. Just by hearing when he. So we offer the salutation upon the Prophet ﷺ because it raises our levels in Jannah and grants us his intercession on the day of judgment, and Allah would love us accordingly, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.